Today I'm winter sowing tomatoes. I'm going to put a lot of generic type tomatoes, the yellow pear, the red cherry, a whole bunch of type of cherry tomatoes. I'm going to winter sow them because I'm going to be selling the starts. So come along. So I'm going to start with these yellow pear. These are very prolific. So I'm just going to put it in this. I have potting soil and I'm just going to sprinkle these in it. Close it up, make sure they stay watered. We are April in Utah, the beginning of April. Lindsay's gonna winter sow the yellow pear tomatoes. So there's a whole bunch of seeds in these. Put them in here. Yellow pear tomatoes. And we are gonna sow generously because we're going to sell these.
Can I put this one in too?
Yep, put them in. I'm going to try to separate them out a little bit. Nothing got over here at all. I'm going to try to keep the same variety. Thanks, Linz. Let's do some more. These are winter sown tomatoes. Principe Borghese, however you say that. Look how many I threw into this container. So I'm about to separate these out, plant quite a few in my yard, and sell the rest. Here we go. Look at these winter sown tomatoes. These are from the Principe Borghese. I'll put a picture on the screen. I don't know how to say it because I think it's Italian and I don't know how to speak Italian. But look how many. This was just kind of an experiment. Yeah, winter sowing tomatoes work. Now I'm going to separate all these crazy things. The really tall, pretty ones I can put into this size. And then some of these baby ones I can put into that size. Look how cool they are. Isn't this fun? Look at that. Healthy little seedling. So I've separated out quite a bit. As soon as the tomatoes look a little more robust and they come out of this little limp, I'm going to water them real good. Then I'm going to let Lindsay sell them at the corner for $1 each and see how many she can sell.